Using a chute for concrete pouring in the chimney transmission line foundation helps to avoid segregation of concrete by providing a controlled and uniform flow of concrete into the foundation. Here's why it's beneficial. 1. Uniform distribution. A chute allows the concrete to be poured evenly and consistently across the entire area of the foundation. This helps ensure that the concrete is distributed uniformly, preventing any areas from receiving an excess or insufficient amount of concrete. 2. Reduced segregation. Segregation occurs when the heavier aggregates in concrete settle at the bottom, leading to an uneven distribution of materials and weakening the concrete structure. By using a chute, the concrete can be poured gently and directly into place, minimizing the likelihood of segregation. 3. Minimized air pockets. Pouring concrete from a height can introduce air pockets into the mixture, which can weaken the structure. Using a chute allows the concrete to flow smoothly without trapping air, resulting in a denser and stronger foundation. 4. Controlled flow. Chutes provide a controlled flow of concrete, allowing workers to adjust the rate of pouring to match the speed of placement and ensure that the concrete is properly compacted as it fills the foundation. Overall, using a chute for concrete pouring in chimney transmission line foundations helps to maintain the integrity and strength of the structure by preventing segregation and ensuring uniform distribution of the concrete mixture.